Ladies and gentlemen, the regular session of the Sangguniang Panglungsod is about to commence. Everyone, please rise.
As the elected City Vice Mayor and the presiding officer, this 25th regular session is now called to order. Roll call, please.
The members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Honorable Michael Gerard T. Morada, Honorable Galileo P. Angeles, Honorable Jennifer Spitey Toledo, Honorable Oscar M. Gozos II, Honorable Rio Fernicol H. Ronquillo, Honorable Venice D. Manalo, Honorable Miguel P. Lina III, Honorable Merlo P. Silva, Honorable Avior R. Rocafort, Honorable Ralph Peter S. Umali, Honorable Aris D. Macala, Honorable Percival V. Lojo, Honorable Windy P. Lat, Honorable Angela Antoinette B. Bautista, and the presiding officer, Honorable City Vice Mayor Camille Angeline M. Lopez.
Do you have a quorum? Okay. May I request the Honorable Ralph Peter Umali for the leading of the invocation and the singing of the national anthem.
Atin pong alalahanin na tayo na sa banal na presensya ng Panginoon. Ama namin sa langit, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Marami pong salamat sa magandang pangangatawan, pangayos na pangingisip. Bigyan niyo po kami ng patuloy niyo kaming biyayaan ng kalakasan at mahustong isipan para ho gawin ng amin hong mga tungkulin sa amin hong lungsod. Ito po ay aming inaalay sa ngalan ng inyong Ama, anak na si Jesus. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Atin lagay ang ating kanang kamay sa kaliwang bahagi ng ating dibdib at ating sabay-sabay awitin ang pambansaang awit ng Pilipinas. Ay, bayang mag-ibig, bayang mag-iliw, pelos na silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng wal, hatid pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang niligaya ng may mang-aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. We now proceed with the privilege hour. Privilege, Honorable Merlo Silva, you are recognized.
Sige. Good morning ho, Madam Chair, sa akin ng mga kasamahan. Sa umagang ito ay ilan hong topic ang akin hong gusto iparating sa Sanggunian. Ang una po ay, alam ho nating lahat na isa ho sa pangarap ng ating butihing alkalde na tayo dito ay magkaroon ng isa hong sports facilities na kung saan ho ay isa hong hangarin din, no? Tayo ay makapagdaos dito ng mga staka, palarong pambansa. At alam mo natin, Madam Chair, na itong pangarap na ito ng ating buting alkalde ay higit ang maiitulong po nito. Una-una sa ekonomiya ng lungsod ng Lipa, padalwa po para sa kapakanan ng ating mga kabataan ng lungsod ng Lipa. At ito na ho siguro ang panahon at sa panahon din ho natin na tayo makapag-establish ng isang sports facility na kung saan ho ay ito ay lubhang kailangan natin ho at tayo ang maging kung saan nga ho ay tayo mag-spearhead dito at ito ay isang magandang legacy sa bawat membro ng sangguniang ito. Kaya Madam Chair, sa tama hong panahon ay ako'y magpapasa ng isang resolusyon na nagpapahintulot sa atin hong Mayor Eric Aprica, sa ating mayor, na makapag-negotiate para makapag-acquire ho tayo ng property para ho gamiting sport facility dito po sa Lungsod ng Lipa. Please refer to the proper committee and I... Ang natin na ito. Urgent po natin ito. Walang hearing fee.
Wait lang po. What is your comment, Honorable Attorney Gali? Let it be put on record. What's so funny?
Bali, ano ho itatayo dito?
Alam mo nyo, isang pangarap ng mayor at natin ho, na magkaroon dito na isang sports facilities na kung saan ho, ang lahat ho ng klase ng sports ilalagay po sa isang lugar na kung saan ho, di yan magti-training, mahahasa ating mga kabataan at para rin ho tayo makapagdaos ho dito ng mga palarong pambansa, istraka, istaa at sa ganun ho, naalala ko ho, isang beses lamang sa akin yung 30 taon ng pagiging konsihal, one time lamang ho tayo na nagdaos dito ng Istraa. At yun yata ho
Panahon ni
during my first term, it was 1993.
Panahon ni Mayor Ben.
Panahon po ni Mayor Umali at ni Merlo Silva.
Madam Chair, comment lang po. Madam Chair, to clarify things lamang po, kahapon po kasi nag-meeting po kami ng local school board, headed po ng ating mayor. Actually po, ang gusto po ng mayor ay gagawa po tayo, tama po si Gonzalo Merlo, gagawa po tayo ng sports, ano tawag po?
Facility.
Sports facility. Pero yung pong sports facility po yun, ang pondo po ay manggagaling po sa CEF funds. Galing po sa pondo ng CEF funds. Then, ang gusto rin po ng mayor, counterpart din naman po ng city government, ay gagawa rin po tayo ng isang sports arena. Kung, like po dun po sa bayan ng San Jose, meron po silang tinatawag doon na FPJ Arena. So ang gusto rin po ng mayor, makapagawa rin po tayo ng isang ganong kalaking gymnasium dito po sa atin sa Lungsod ng Lipa para po mapagdausan din po ng mga events, lalong-lalo na po ng sports. Pero ang alam ko po, yung pong sa sports facilities, ay gagawa po tayo ng isang Olympic
Lahat,
size na
iba't
swimming
ibang
pool, track and field, lahat
Lahat ng
ng
klaseng sports.
sports ay pwede pong i-accommodate doon. Pero yung pondo pong gagamitin po doon ay manggagaling po sa CEF funds at hindi na po dadaan dito sa atin sa Sanggunian. Ang dadaan po sa atin sa Sanggunian ay yung pong ipambibili po doon sa tabing lupa, kung may makikita po, na pagtatayuan din po ng sports arena. Yan po,
Okay,
Madam
Madam.
Chair.
Okay, thank you po. So, Madam
Brad-
Chair, for the urgency of this subject matter, at talagang kailangan na, I move that this matter be considered as urgent.
Refer ko muna po, ha?
Hindi pa kinaka-refer.
Matter brought up is jointly referred to the Committee on...
Dapat sa laws. Committee on laws. Wala naman tayong committee on laws
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Good Government.
With the permission of the chairman and the Committee of Good Government, I move that this matter be considered as urgent with your permission. Okay na yun.
Wala muna po tayong urgency.
Ha?
Wala muna po. Mamaya
Wala
po.
muna. Mamaya
na po.
Okay, sige.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Any other privilege?
Another, ano yun? Isa pa.
Meron pa po.
Madam Chair, ito rin ho ay kailangan natin. At alam mo natin na tayo ho bilang legislators at tayo rin ho ay mga tinatanong at tayo rin ho ay nagbibigay din ng kaalaman sa atin hong mga kababayan na naglilingkod po sa barangay. Kung ang city government sa pamagitan po ng Executive Department ay nagbibigay ng mga award sa mga barangay, siguro tayo as a legislator and a member of this council ay magkaroon ho tayo ng tinatawag kong pag-award sa mga sa Barangay Legislative Excellence Program. Upang sa ganun ho ay itong ating mga kababayan ho na naglilingkod sa barangay ay lalo ho magporsige at lalo magkaroon ho lalo ng katutunan at ma-inspire po sila sa paglilingkod. Kaya Madam Chair, in the right time ay meron ho tayo ditong isang draft ordinance institutionalizing the Lipa City Barangay Legislative Excellence Program, LCBLEP, establishing the Lipa City Legislative Award for barangays and appropriating funds thereof for that purpose. Please refer to this proper committee and I will submit the draft ordinance of that matter, Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is jointly referred to the Committee on Barangay Affairs and Appropriations. Lead committee will be the Committee on Appropriations. Privilege, Honorable ABC. May isa pa? Okay po.
Kailangan ho eh. Isa pa, Madam Chair, alam mo nyo, marami ho mga opisina, kumpanya na humihingi rin ho ng tulong sa atin ng pamahalaan. At alam ho nyo na gusto rin ho nila na makatulong din naman sa pamahalaan ng Lungsod de Lipa sa pamamagitan ho ng atin hong Ospital de Lipa at nito hong Granha. Kaya Madam Chair ay tayo ho ay magpapasa ng isang resolusyon na binibigyan natin ang ating kagagalang na alkalde na to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Federico So Builders and Development Incorporation na kung saan ho ang mga tauhan ho nito, kung ano ho ang kailangan pagdating ho sa medical ay dito po sa ating hong ospital sila magpapacheck up o ng clearance at may kaukulan ng payment na additional income ng City Government of Lipa. So, please refer to the committee the letter of the City Mayor and the draft memorandum agreement from the Office of the Executive Department, Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Health.
Isa na lang ho, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, alam mo nyo, ang sabi ko nga ho lagi, ang problema ho natin ay ang basura sa darating na panahon. Sa ngayon, Madam Chair, hindi ho natin pa problema, hindi natin masyadong iniinda, bagamat ito ay isang malaking banta sa lungsod na Lipa. Na kung saan, Madam Chair, tayo nakakatuwa na ngayon tayo nakakabayad, may pondo ang Lipa, may kontraktor na humahakot sa basura ng Lipa. Kaya lang, Madam Chair, tanong nga ho, paano kung wala nang maghakot? Or even, wala hong mapagtapunan pala yung maghahakot. Ay, ang problema ho natin yan, saan ho natin dadalhin? At ang pangalawang, Madam Chair, na problema, itong mga subdivision ho natin. Paano ho, Madam Chair, ay kung minsan ho, ay nahahakutan ng mga subdivision, ito naman ho ating mga kababayan, na talagang nangangailangan na hakutan, ay hindi naman ho mahakutan. Dahil ho sa una, kulang ho yung mga kagamitan, katulad mga truck, at saka kuminsan ho ay may mga pagkakataon ho na talagang sa dami ho ng problema natin sa basura, ay hindi na rin nga ho sila madaanan. Kaya ho siguro, Madam Chair, ang aking nakikita ay bakit hindi ho ang gawin natin, lahat ho ng subdivision ay iba ho ang maghahakot. Upang sa ganoon, Madam Chair, ay hindi ho maapektuhan itong ating mga ordinaryong kababayan outside the subdivision. Itong subdivision, private ito eh. Diga ho, bagamat sila may mga MRF, ay hindi ho sapat. At ang nangyayari nga ho, kaagaw pa sila nitong atin ng mga kabarangay na wala naman ho talagang mapagtapunan. Kaya, Madam Chair, siguro, ito na ho panahon na lahat ho ng subdivision dito sa Lungsod de Lipa ay magkaroon ho ng ibang kontraktor na maghahakot. At ang city government sa akin tingin ho may palagay kayo may kantirino niyang income at additional fund para po sa lungsod na Lipa. Please refer to the proper committee or the committee by whole, siguro, para mabilisan na sa ganun ho ay ma-actionan ho agad yan. At ano maganda doon? Sabi,
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Environment. Is that a comment po? Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Comment. Kasi yung sabi ni Consel Merlo, kaibigan ko naman to, hindi katulad nung isa.
sino kayo yung isa?
Sa tamang panahon.
Kailan ang tamang panahon?
Pagka nang upak sila sa akin. Hindi pa naman sila na-atake. Pag umatake na ho sila, di fight. Fight is fight. Hindi naman. Eh di, wag muna mag-name. Madam Chair, sabi ho kanina ni Consent Mel, para daw mabilis. Anong ibig niya sabihin? Hindi mabilis ang komitiba kung magtrabaho?
Hindi ho. Hindi ko ho alam na sa Committee on Health babagsak. Hindi ko alam kung sa Committee on Health. Ay di, sasabihin ko, magaling ho.
Environment po. Environment.
Sa katotohanan, ako lang ho matitirang magtatrabaho dito dahil ako ho ang hindi kandidato. Silang lahat busy sa pangangampanya. Kahit si Consel King, hindi rin kandidato. Pero kandidato naman ang anak. Magiging busy din ho yan. Ako lang ho talaga ang hindi magiging busy dito. So Madam Chair, doon sa mga subdivision, meron naman silang sariling hauler yung iba. Yung iba po ay nakikipagkontrata sa barangay para barangay ang mangolekta ng basura ng mga subdivision. So, dalawa po yung mga nangyayari sa subdivision. Kontraktor nila, dadalhin sa atin, o kukontrata po sila sa barangay, makikiusap sa barangay, dadalhin din po sa atin.
Ang nakikita ko ho ay para ho mas lalo ho natin na maihatid ho ang serbisyo ay ibahin ho natin yung kontraktor mismo ng mga subdivision po sa lungsod na Lipa. Na sa ganun, Madam Chair, ay doon sila magpo-focus. Hindi yung hahakot sa barangay, hahakot sa mga household.
Wala naman pong problema, i-hearing po natin. Tayo naman po ay sumasang-ayon doon sa panukala ninyo dahil alam po ninyo ang mga homeowners ay nagbabayad ng association dues sa kanila pong subdivision. So kaya dapat saan nila ginagamit yung association dues?
Bukod doon, madami na reklamo talaga sa mga subdivision dahil yun nung kanilang mga basura daw, ilang araw na, hindi nahakot, mga gayon.
Ipapakomite hearing ko po yung
Soon is
suggestion ni Consel Merlo Silva.
Yeah, thank you, Kusala Bior. Yan ang sinasabi ko
Lalo't
sa chairman
higit
ng
pag
Imanda.
malapit na po ang kampanyahan. Patatawag ko po lahat ng subdivision.
Salamat po. Privilege, Honorable ABC Lat, you are recognized.
Magandang umaga po, Madam Chair. Ako po ay tumatayo sa umagang ito upang bigyang pansin ang kahilingan ng ating punong lungsod na magkaroon ng isang resolusyon ng pagpasok sa isang kasunduan ng 22 na barangay sa paggamit ng Nissan Navara pickup. Pa-repair na lang po nito sa tamang.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Good Government. Apo, mamaya na po. Apa, thank you po, ABC. Privilege, Honorable Spy Toledo, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, meron po tayong natanggap na isa pong memorandum circular mula po sa DILG at ipinasa po sa atin ng CSWDO sa pangunguna po ni Ma'am Lerma, kung saan ito pong memorandum of circular na ito
ay patungkol po sa integration of indicators on anti-online sexual abuse or exploitation of children and anti-child sexual abuse or exploitation materials into the child-friendly local government audit. Kung saan, Madam Chair, nakapaloob po dito na dapat daw po ay magkaroon tayo ng adoption ng local ordinance against OSAEC and CSAEM. And magkakaroon din po ng percentage of LGU staff o social service workforce who are trained to implement special child protection laws. And the number of reports and proper actions made by the CSWDO and inclusion ng RA 11930 sa local code for children and inclusion in the menu of the PPAs, the advocacy initiatives, including celebrating the second Tuesday of February every year as Safer Internet Day for Children Philippines po, Madam Chair. Would like to make a manifestation to pa-refer po sa tamang committee ba, Madam Chair, for the committee hearing or kung ano man po ang nais gawin ng committee chair. Maraming salamat po.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Family and Social Services. Lead committee would be the Committee on Social Services. Privilege. Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Madam Vice Mayor. Okay na yun? Sige. Kala ko ipapakalat ko na yung tapo din. Oo, mamaya. Madam Chair, I have a letter I have an endorsement letter from the City Mayor addressed to the Honorable members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, the letter of Mr. Marlon Arceo, Coordinator of Team High Reb, endorsing their letter to use the Manila-Batangas Bypass Road or the Marawi Inisloban, Lipas City, Batangas as venue for the event Team High Reb Invitational Drag Race and Motor Show on August 10 to 11, 2024. Madam Chair, as Chair of the Committee on Traffic, dahil ito po ay pinadalang request ng ating Mayor through CIPOS and our PNP Lipa, I move that the matter be referred to the Committee on Traffic, Madam Chair. Ba't kontra ho ako dito? Hindi deny ko to.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Traffic.
Madam Chair, the Committee on Appropriation is conducting an ongoing hearing with regards to the privileged speech of this representation regarding the transportation allowance of the KLL students, Lipenyo, na nag-aaral po sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. Tayo po ay nananawagan sa mga kasamahan po natin sa Sangguniang Panglungsod na samahan ang inyong lingkod sa pakikipaglaban para po maibigay sa ating mga Lipenyo students na nag-aaral sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa ang 1,000 transportation allowance, Madam Chair, sa tamang panahon. Kapag ipinasok po natin ang committee report ng Committee on Appropriation, jointly referred to the Committee on Education, and, Madam Chair, the ordinance granting the transportation allowance. Yun pong nauna nating ordinansa ay hindi po na-satisfy dahil wala po tayong naipakitang mga justifications, Madam Chair. Pero ito, meron po tayong kaparehas na ordinansa sa pagbibigay ng transportation allowance sa atin po mga estudyante. At ito ay yung atin pong transportation allowance sa ating transport sector, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, nalungkot lang po tayo dahil doon sa first conduct natin ng committee hearing, umattend po dito, yun pong student council officers ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. And doon po sa pag-attend ng mga student councils, yun pong kanilang presidente, baka ma-trauma na dahil inuupakan ko yung bata yung kanila pong presidente, Madam Chair, ay nung tanungin ko kung ano ang posisyon ng student council, executive officers, ang sabi po nila, ang 1,000 daw na makukolekta para sa mga estudyante ay ilagay na lang sa mga programa ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. Madam Chair, sino ho kaya ang nagtuturo, advisor, at nagtitrain o nagsiseminar sa mga student officers natin ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa? Madam Chair, sabi ko ho sa committee hearing, huwag niyong problemahin ang pagpapagawa ng eskwelahan. Huwag niyong problemahin ang mga pasilidad ng eskwelahan. Huwag niyong problemahin ang dekalidad o quality education na dapat ibibigay ng eskwelahan sapagkat ito po ay tungkulin ng pamahalaan. Ito ay tungkulin ng pamunuan ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. Ang dapat trabaho ng student council ay ang kapakanan ng mga estudyante ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. 1,000 transportation allowance ang ibinibigay natin sa mga estudyante ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. Ibibigay natin para sa programa at proyekto ng KLL. Hay, buhay. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi ko na ho, ako'y nalulungkot dahil ito ang posisyon ng ating mga estudyante. Sana ho hindi ganito ang pag-mold natin sa mga leaders natin sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. Ito ho kasi ay nasa training. Sabi po nila, marami ang gustong tanggapin ang mga estudyante ng KLL. Bakit kaya? Dahil ho ba magaling ang mga estudyante natin? Dahil ho ba nagtatap tayo sa mga board exams? O dahil ang mga estudyante natin ay masunurin at takot magreklamo sa mga nakatataas? Alin po dito? Kung ang mga estudyante po natin ay takot at ayaw magreklamo sa mga nakatataas, mali po ang paraan ng pagtuturo natin sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. We are not teaching them to be fiscalizers. We are not teaching them to be assertive, Madam Chair. We are teaching them to shut their mouth and do not complain, which should not be the case because we would like to build ang paaralan po natin ng maayos, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, ito po ay sinishare ko lang para po malaman ng atin pong sangguniang panglungsod ang kalagayan po natin at nangyayari sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. So, sa second hearing po ng Committee on Appropriations, siguro po imbitahan mo namin ang mga estudyante na mismo. Dahil kung ito po ang pananaw ng student officers natin, may hirapan po tayong kuhanin ang suporta ng student council kung hindi sila makastudyante. Ako ho kasi nung ako ay nag-aaral sa De La Salipa, alam mo ni Ma'am Angie yun dahil teacher ko siya, aktivista ho ako dun eh. Baksak nga ako, pinasa ako, kaya ako'y nagpapasalamat. Bulok ako sa economics eh, basa ako eh. Kaya buti na lang si Ma'am Angie ang teacher ko, kung hindi baksak ako. So, Madam Chair, nakakalungkot lang ho. Ganito yung aking nakitang reaksyon ng ating mga estudyante ng KLL. Sana po, doon sa mga estudyante natin ng KLL na nakikinig, samahan niyo ho ako sa laban natin. Kasi kung ako lang ho ang makikipaglaban para sa 1,000 transportation allowance at hindi ko kasama mga estudyante, wala hong saysay ang ating pakikipaglaban. Kung hindi ho sa panahon ko natin ito ipaglalaban, wala na ho, hindi na ho ito maaprubahan. Kaya ho, habang tayo ang chairman ng Committee on Appropriation at habang ito ang mga nakaupong konsehal, Madam Chair, at habang mag-e-election, Madam Chair, napapanahon na atin pong paaprubahan ang 1,000 transportation allowance para sa mga Lipenyo na mag-aaral ng kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa, Madam Chairman. So, marami pong kung ang atin pong mag-aaral ay nasa 8,000 sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa, siguro po nasa 4,000 plus ang atin pong Lipenyo students. So, 4 million a year. Out of the 1,000 a year. Hindi po, Lipenyo students lang po ang ating bibigyan para naman po may distinction, Madam Chair. 70% po yata ang Lipenyos. Oo nga. Ang budget po ng KLL ay nasa 80 to 100 million a year. What is 4 million or 5 million to be given to the students of Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Lipa para po sa kanila pong magamit po nila, Madam Chair. Maganda na ho ang facilities natin eh. So, Madam Chair, please put on record the manifestation of this representation, Madam Chair.
That is noted. Thank you, Honorable Rocafort. Any other privilege? We now proceed with the reading of the minutes of the preceding session and approval of the same. Honorable Attorney Gali Angeles, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I respectfully move to hold in abeyance the reading of the minutes of the July 10, 2024 regular session and the approval and also the approval of the same for the reason that the same is not yet available.
Any second? Duly second the discussion. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Proposed ordinances and resolutions for second reading. Honorable Junjun Gossos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that you dispense the reading of Committee Report on Education 2024-004 and the same be approved for second reading.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that we dispense the Committee Report on Housing 2024-027 from A to F and the same be approved for second reading.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized. Health? Yes po. Wait lang po.
Madam Chair, please consider as urgent the
Second reading pa lang po tayo. Oral committee report.
oral report.
Yes po.
Nasaan na ga? Nasaan na? Ari. Ito. Okay. Second reading na oral. Madam Chair, with the permission of the majority of the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod, I move that we consider that we adopt committee report of the Committee on Health with the indulgence of the chairman of the Committee on Health dahil wala po siya dito. The request for a resolution granting authority to the city mayor to enter into MOA with Mary Mediatrix Medical Center for the residency training program be adopted, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, with the permission of the Chair of the Committee on Health and as member of the Committee on Health, I move that we consider as approved the committee report on health regarding the enter into a deed of donation with the Department of Health, Center for Health Development, Calabarzon, pertaining to the construction of the Lipa City Health Centers be adopted, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, with regards to the Committee on Social Services, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the City Mayor to enter into MOA with SSS relative to the implementation of the SSS Offsite E-Center LGU program be adopted, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we approve the committee report on environmental protection regarding the request of the City Mayor to enter into a MOA with Metro Lipa Water District for the management of the septage for the entire city of Lipa to strengthen the septage and sanitation services in the city be adopted, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, with the permission of the members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod and with jointly, this committee report is jointly referred to the Committee on Barangay Affairs, resolution approving kautusan bilang 2024-05 the tax ordinance of Barangay San Isidro be adopted, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we also approve, jointly refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Ordinansa bilang 2024-03. Susog sa Ordinansa bilang 2409, repeal na ipinasa at inaprubahan noong September 15, 2024, yung na nagtutukoy sa mga gawain pinagbabawal hinggil sa pamamahala ng basura at pagpapanatili ng kalinisan sa barangay, nagtatakda at nagpapataw ng karampatang parusa o sinumang lumabag dito o Barangay San Isidro be adopted, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Ito na lang. Madam Chair, the committee report on social services, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the City Mayor to enter into MOA with ODC Foundation Incorporated and DOST Calabarzon for the implementation of Gabay Kalusugan Project be adopted, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading.
Madam Chair, okay na po ba yung sa motor? Sa motor? Wala pa pong masasabi. Wala pa. Sige, Madam Chair. Okay na po.
Thank you. Honorable ABC, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, nag-conduct po kami ng committee hearing noong last July 4, 2024 para sa Barangay Ordinance number 2024-02 ng Barangay San Isidro. During the hearing, may pagbabago po at kailangang i-revise ang ordinance kaya hindi po nakaabot sa committee report. Kaya, Madam Chair, I move for the adoption of my oral committee report, Barangay Ordinance number 2024-02 of Sangguniang Barangay San Isidro, entitled Kautusang Nag-aatas sa lahat ng dayuhang nagnanais manirahan ng permanente, nangungupahan at nakikitira sa bahay ng kamag-anak o kakilala na magpapalista o magpapatala at magbigay ng biodata sa tanggapan ng barangay bago tuluyang tumira o makitira sa barangay.
Duly seconded. Question? Okay po. Okay po. Question?
No. Oral report.
Okay po, wait lang po. The motion is hereby approved for the second reading
Madam Chair,
as amended.
permits me to report a request of the nagkakaisang samahan ng mga lehitimong tenants at naninirahan sa barangay Pinagkawitan. We created a committee by whole and Madam Chair, the committee conducted twice in this regard, Madam Chair, at nagkaroon ho tayo ng pagpupulong at pinatawag ho natin itong mga may-ari ho ng property. But unfortunately, Madam Chair, hindi ho sila dumating. At ayon din ho sa mga naninirahan sa nasabi hong lugar ay sila'y lubahong nagkaroon ho ng takot dahil may mga gwardiya daw ho na umaaligi doon na hindi naman ho nila mga kilala. At sabi nga ho ng kapitan ay kanila hong kinausap. Pero hindi pa rin ho siguro at kulang pa rin ang action ho na pwede ho natin gawin. Kaya Madam Chair, ay minarapat ho natin na tayo ho ay mag-endorso ng isa hong resolusyon na parang ipinaalam natin sa PNP, Register of Deeds, Provincial Agrarian Reform, at sa Municipal Agrarian Reform Office na at dito po sa atin na ito hong pag sila'y nag-request ho ng mga pagpapatitulo kung ano man ay alam ho nila na may usapin pa ho ang property ho ito, Madam Chair. Kaya sa mamaya ho ay papasok ng isang resolution. So, Madam Chair, I move that this oral report be adopted, Madam Chair.
Any second?
Wala, oy! Husay kayo sa Pinagkawitan.
Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading. Business for the day.
Business for the day. Number 1, letter of the city mayor requesting for a resolution granting authority to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Metro Lipa Medical Center for assistance with laboratory procedure that are not available or cannot be handled by Lipa City Hospital System.
Refer to the Committee on Health.
Number 2 to number 10 and number 12, reclassification requests of various owners for various property located at different barangay.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 11, letter of the city administrator forwarding the request for the issuance of special use permit for the proposed resort, Nipa Hut with swimming pool, to be located at Barangay Bagong Pook, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 13, letter of the city administrator forwarding the request for the issuance of special use permit for the proposed resort to be located at Barangay Bagong Pook, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 14, letter of the city administrator forwarding the request for the issuance of special use permit for the proposed mini resort to be located at Barangay Talisay, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use. Resolutions and ordinances for the third and final reading. Honorable Gozos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that we approve for third and final reading the Committee Report on Education 2024-004.
Any second? Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by? Any second? Seconded by Honorable Toledo, Lat, Rocafort, Angeles. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I would like to request that we approve for third and final reading Committee Report on Housing 2024-027 from A to F.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by? Any second? Honorable Rocafort. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you. Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into MOA with Odyssey Foundation and DOST Calabarzon for the implementation of Gabay Kalusugan Project. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exam of the reading principle.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Makala. Honorable Lina. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution approving Ordinansa bilang 2024-03 of Barangay San Isidro. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exam of the reading principle.
Seconded, jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Manalo Makala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution approving Ordinansa bilang 2024-05 of Barangay San Isidro. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading, except of the three reading principle.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Toledo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Tingnan nyo ho, puro San Isidro to. Kung ano pang barangay na ako'y laging talo, pinaprubahan ko na. Approve na. Madam Chair, please, I move that we pass a resolution of giving authority to the city mayor to enter into MOA with Metro Lipa Water District for the management of septage for the entire city of Lipa to strengthen the septage and sanitation service of the city. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exempt from the three reading principle.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Makala and Toledo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into with SSS. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exempt of the three reading principle.
Seconded by Honorable Silva, Makala, Ronquillo, Lina, objection, and Manalo and Toledo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into a deed of donation with the Department of Health, specifically the Center for Health Development, Calabarzon, for the construction of the City Health Centers. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exempt of the three reading principle. Ito po ay may pondo na 9,890,000 additional para po dun sa ating mga health centers, Madam Chair.
Any second? Seconded by by Honorable Silva, Toledo, Makala, Lina. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution granting authority to the city mayor to enter into MOA with Mary Mediatrics Medical Center for the residency training program. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading and exam of the three reading principle.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Makala, Lina, Manalo, Toledo, Ronquillo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, pagpaumanhin po niyo, pero ito po ay humabol dahil nag-submit na po sila ng requirements. I move that we consider as urgent, Madam Chair, Ordinansa bilang 2024-04 of Barangay San Isidro regarding their ordinance sa pagbabawal ng pagpasok at pagdaan ng mga maiingay na motor simula sa entrada at buong nasasakupan ng Barangay San Isidro na magkakabisa simula mabaguhin na lang yun. The same be considered as urgent, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the Consul of your... Mamaya na po yung urgency.
Mamaya na?
Oo. Third and final reading muna po tayo.
Okay, sige.
Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Honorable ABC Lat, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I move for the passage of resolution approving the barangay ordinance of Barangay San Isidro entitled Kautosang Nag-aatas sa lahat ng dayuhang nagnanais na manirahan ng permanente at nangungupahan at makikitira sa bahay ng kamag-anak o kakilala na magpapalista o magpapatala at magbigay ng biodata sa tanggapan ng barangay bago tuluyang tumira o makitira sa barangay for third and final reading.
Duly seconded by Honorable Silva, Rocafort, Toledo, Manalo, Umali, Makala, Ronquillo, Lina. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Meron. Okay pa. Other matters. Honorable Attorney Gale Angeles, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For other matters, there is a letter from the PNP about the Lipa City Localized Anti-Criminality Action Plan regarding the creation of city ordinance mandating all establishment operating in 24-hour basis to have a security guard on post and motorcycle parking area or motorcycle rack to be locked when parked. I respectfully move that it be referred to the appropriate committee.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Peace and Order.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Other matters, Honorable Junjun Gosos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, nasa akin po ang request ng ating pong City Administrator Ronel E. Sarmiento. I am respectfully forwarding to the August body for the approval of the herein final subdivision plan together with the final subdivision plan analysis of Paseo de Lipa to be located at Barangay Adya and Quezon. The project measures 42.4150 hectares with 2,737 saleable lots. Please refer po, Madam Chair, sa Committee on Land Use.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Land Use.
And motion for urgency po with regards to that matter, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance approving the final subdivision plan and final subdivision plan analysis of Paseo de Lipa located at Barangay Adya and Quezon, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Silva. Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Makala, Umali, Lat, Rocafort. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency po with regards to this matter. Nag-conduct po ng committee hearing noong July 15, 2024, hindi lamang po naisama sa committee report. Request of Mr. Alvin Libao for the reclassification of their property with an area of 100 square meters located po at Barangay Plaridel. Motion for urgency, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Alvin Libao with an area of 100 square meters from agricultural to commercial use located at Barangay Plaridel, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Lina, Makala, Umali. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency din po with regards to this matter, the request of Mr. Eduardo Guevara for the reclassification of their property from agricultural to agro-industrial use with an area of 1,894 square meters located po at Barangay Pinagkawitan, and they have a request din po for special use permit for their proposed warehouse. Motion for urgency, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance reclassifying the property of Mr. Eduardo Guevara with an area of 1,894 square meters from agricultural to agro-industrial use located at Barangay Pinagkawitan, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, and lastly po, I would like to request a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor, Mayor Eric Africa, to issue a specialist permit to Mr. Eduardo Guevara for their proposed warehouse located at Barangay Pinagkawitan, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Rocafort. Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Honorable A.B. Silat, you are recognized.
I move for the passage of resolution granting authority to the city mayor of enter into a contract of commando with the 22 barangay of Lipa City for the of the Nissan Navara pickup unit for third and final reading.
For urgency muna po. For urgency. Any second for urgency? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none. The motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Babasahin ko lang yan. Are-are lahat na rin. I move for the passage of resolution granting authority of the city of mayor to enter into a contract of commando with the 22 barangay of Lipa City for the use of Nissan Navara pickup unit for the third and final reading.
I join the motion.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, Ronquillo, Gozos, Lina. Ano ba yan? Seconded by Honorable Toledo, Manalo, Umali, Rocafort, Silva. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Motion for urgency, Madam Chair. With regard to the may privilege speech a while ago, Madam Chair, regarding the authorization to the city mayor, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be considered as urgent. The two topics.
Authorization to
To intervene for the negotiation and acquisition of a parcel of land regarding the
where
sports
parcel of land.
facilities. So, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be considered as urgent.
Any second for urgency? Duly seconded. Discussion. Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Yeah.
Mamaya, isasama ko na rin.
Madam Chair, ito ho ay may request galing sa mayor.
Nagkausap ho kami ng mayor at ito ho ay sinabi niya na kailangan ho natin dahil ho ito ay tungkol sa lupa tungkol sa pagtatayo ng sports facilities. Kailangan ito ng ating mga kabataan.
What is the comment? Honorable
Madam Chair, regarding po
Gozos?
sa question ni Consel Abior, actually po, yesterday po, nung nag-meeting po kami ng local school board, nag-motion din po ako na magbigay po ang local school board ng authority kay Mayor to negotiate po para po sa purchase ng property. And doon po sa meeting, diniscuss din po ng Mayor na magre-request din po siya ng authority galing sa Sanggunian para po makapag-negotiate para sa pagbili ng property. Yun lang naman daw po gagamitin niya para po may pakita doon sa may-ari ng lupa na kanyang kakausapin na siya po ay may authority na both from the local school board and the Sangguniang Panglungsod para po makapag-negotiate. Then after negotiation po, kung magpupush through daw po ang pagbili ng property, then saka po ulit siya hihingin ng authority para po to purchase the said property, Madam Chair. So doon po regarding po sa question po ni Consel Abior kung may authority ang mayor.
That's,
Ako po ang nagpapatunay na
that's more than a
meron po.
request. More than a request.
Madam Chair, kaya ko po tinatanong ito kasi tayo po ang nag-initiate na bigyan ng mayor ng authority to negotiate. Hindi po, wala po tayong hawak na papel na nagre-request ang mayor na humihingi sa atin ng authority para siya ay bumili ng lupa. So the initiative comes from us. Parang dinidiktahan ho natin si mayor na makipag-usap ka at bumili ka ng lupa. Hindi ho galing sa kanya na gusto ko makipag-usap at bibili ako ng lupa. Ganon din po, Madam Chair, ay ito pong pinag-uusapan nating property ay gaano po kalaki. Kasi marami na po tayong mga property na binibili, Madam Chair. Madaming lupa na rin tayong kinakausap. Na katulad po doon sa ibang mga barangay na binibili po natin, pagtatayuan ng mga barangay hall. Gaano po kalaki ngayon yung property
Sa
na
ngayon ho,
pinag-uusapan
ito'y parang wala po. Parang binibigyan lang natin ng mayor ng karapatan na siya ay makipag-negotiate kung sino man ho ang may property na kailangan ho ng syudad. Para po
So
sa
wala pa po
nasabi ho,
tayong
dahilan.
identified na property.
Wala pa po, Madam Chair. Parang atin lang ho bibigyan natin ng mayor to negotiate for the acquisition of the property kung saan man ho yan, Madam Chair. Basta yun ho ay nasa lungsod ng Lipa. At yun ay tama para sa gagawin ho nating sports facilities na sinasabi nga ni Kusel Junjun, pati yung mga sports arena kung saan lahat ho ng sports ay pwede hong maakupa na nasabi yung lupa. Wala pa. Parang binibigyan lang natin ng liwi, Mayor.
Okay, Madam Chair. Pangalawa, Madam Chair, yun pong community park, ito po ay pag-aari ng city government.
Apo.
Yun pong ating gagawing sports facility, magiging pag-aari rin po ng city government.
Apo.
At ang gagamit po nito ay hindi po natin ipahihiram sa DepEd o kung kanino man.
Pwede ho siguro, depende sa gagawin ho nating mga IRR sa paggamit ho niyan. Siyempre, kinakailangan protection ho natin yan. Dahil pag pinoprotection ho natin yan, para na rin natin nagbigay tayo ng protection sa mga kabataan ng Luzon na Lipa upang sila maging magaling na atleta at magaling na mga pinuno ng Luzon na Lipa.
Honorable Gozos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, regarding po doon sa question ni Consel Abior kung sino po ang mag-manage ng facility pag na-put up po ito, actually po doon po sa meeting namin kahapon ng local school board, yung pong sports facilities po na gagawin at ang funds po ay manggagaling sa CEF funds. So it says po doon na ang mag-handle po ay DepEd pa din po kasi po galing po sa pondo ng CEF funds pero under the supervision din po ng Executive Department. Yun naman pong authority po na hinihingi ni Consel Abior regarding po doon sa pagbili po ng property na pagtatayuan naman po ng sports arena, yun naman po, for sure po, ang city government po ang mag-handle nung property and ng structure na itatayo kasi po yun naman pong funds po doon ay manggagaling po sa city government.
At saka, Madam Chair, ang ating ibinibigila sa mayor, yung kapangyarihan na siya yung makapag-negotiate sa pagkuha. Hindi po natin pwede talakayin yung mga kung sino mamumuo, kung sino mamanage. Dahil idadating po rin sa atin kung gagawa tayo ng mga IRR para kung anong pwede hong lalo hong maprotektahan ang nasabi hong project kung ito ay matutuloy. Pero mahalaga ho dito, meron ng mayor na hakbangin upang makipag-negotiate at maghanap ng property para po sa nasabi hong ideyang programa para po sa ating sa Luzon na Lipa.
Wala naman pong problema doon. Ang atin lang pong niliwanag, Madam Chair, siyempre tayo po ay makikipag-usap para bumili ng property. Pangalawa, kailangan malaman natin sinong may-ari ng property, sinong magmamanage ng property at anong gagawin sa property.
Yun ay dadaan ho uli sa atin.
Ngayon, Madam Chair,
babalik ho ito sa atin.
aantayin
Ang mahalaga lamang ho, mabigyan natin ng mayor ng isang authority na siya makapag-negotiate dahil mahirap naman ho. hindi ho alam kung sino makipag-negotiate sa may-ari at ito yung dahilan para mapabilis ho yung programa ng pag-acquire ng property.
Madam Chair, ulitin ko lang ho, wala man hong issue doon. Nagtanong lang po tayo para may bird's eye view tayo, ano ang gagawin sa property? Bakit natin kailangan bilhin?
Ayun.
Pangalawa, kaya po natin tinatanong kung sinong mamamahala kasi at pera ho ng SEP ang gagamitin natin dito. Ngayon, maliwanag na po sa atin na ang mamamahala nito ay DepEd, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
Ang mga, ito po ay hindi pa panahon para sagutin ang tanong ko. I-reserve na lang po
ikaw
ninyo
lang.
kapag ito ay dinala na sa Sangguniang Panlunsod. Pero ang mga dapat
Idea
pa po nating pag-usapan ay kung DepEd po ang mamamahala nito, magiging open po ba sa lahat ang paggamit na itong ating bibiling property at itatayong facility doon sa property na pinag-uusapan natin. So, ito po ay hindi nyo pa kailangang sagutin. Ito po ay sa mga tamang panahon natin sasagutin, Madam Chair. Pero
Tama ho.
sana ito po ay makonsider po nating mga issue doon sa pagbili natin ng property dahil SEP po ang gagamitin natin, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Kusalabyor. Pero baka hindi ho lahat ay kaya ho ng SEP. Dahil, pagka nabili ho ang isang property, ay ang pasilidad ho, yun ho ang mas malaki hong gastusin. Paggagawa ng arena, paggagawa ng swimming pool, paggagawa ng isang track and field, lahat ho siguro ng sports na po pwede ho, ay lalagay diyan. Parang tayo pagdating ho ng panahon, tayo pwede makapag-host tayo ng mga palarong pambansa. Madam Chair. Pero yun ang sinabi ni Kusalabyor. Yun ho, it is on the record. Yun ay bibigyan siguro ng konsiderasyon pag dumating yung panahon kung saan ho i-repair sa komitiba. Thank you, Kusalabyor. I move. Ano, okay na? Okay na?
Wait lang po.
Hindi pare.
Wala na pong question?
Okay. Formal motion.
Okay, go ahead.
I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Honorable Eric Africa, for the negotiation and acquisition of a parcel of land to be utilized as sports facilities in the city of Lipa for third and final reading. Negotiation. Yeah. Ha?
Negotiation only.
Ay?
Wala pa acquisition.
Ay, para may purpose na agad mag-acquire.
Please reiterate your motion po.
Acquisition.
Please reiterate your motion.
I move for the passage of a resolution authorizing the local executive, Eric Africa, for the negotiation, acquisition of a parcel of land /
Negotiation only po.
Ayaw nyo nang
I'm declaring a
mag-acquire na agad.
recess. On your shoes.
I'm reiterating my motion to the chair. I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Eric Africa, to negotiate for the acquisition of the parcel of land to be utilized as sports facilities in the city of Lipa for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Lina, seconded by Honorable Gozos, Makala, Umali, Rocafort,
Thanks to
Toledo.
the-
Objection here and Ronquillo. Objection.
Thanks to the mind of a good lawyer.
Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved
Thank
for the
you, Madam
third
Chair.
and final reading.
And with regard to the request of the Samahan ng mga legitimate tenants at naninirahan sa barangay Pinagwitan, I move that this matter be considered as urgent, Madam Chair. Makala.
Any second for urgency? Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection?
Sa mga taga-Pinagwitan, resolution
Hearing
na.
none, the motion is hereby approved.
I move that we
for
pass a resolution informing.
For urgency.
Approve na.
Ha?
Urgency. Approve
Urgency
na.
pa lang yun. I-approve.
I move for akala ko approve na ang urgency. Hindi pa?
Hindi,
Akala ko
urgency
yun
pa lang.
I move for the urgency of the subject matter, Madam Chair.
Urgency na nga po.
Ha?
Then final reading.
Ayun nga. A demotion na nga.
I-motion niyo na po for third and final reading.
Ayun nga, hindi babasahin ko nga muna.
Please reiterate your
Kaya nga.
motion.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution informing the PNP, Register of Deeds, Provincial Agrarian Reform Office, PARO, and the Municipal Agrarian Reform Office, MARO, about the situation of the tenants of Purok 6 of Barangay Pinagwitan, Lipa City, and requesting those offices, agencies, to extend any possible help to the tenants of Pinagwitan for third and final reading.
Any second?
Ito ay para sa safety ho ng ating mga kababayan sa Pinagwitan. Okay?
Seconded by Honorable Angeles Macala Umali. Okay po ba? Lat, Rocafort, jointly moved by Honorable Rocafort. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, with regard to my privileged speech a while ago, I move this matter being considered as urgent. A memorandum of agreement with Federico, So Builders and Development, and the City Government of Lipa through the Mayor Eric Aprica. I move for the urgency of this subject matter.
Any second?
Yung bibigyan lang yung pagka ikaw sa office, bawa, kumpanya, dito magpapatingin sa atin, sa opisina, sa ospital, nakikita city government. Hindi na, ayos na rin. Ay, bahala na sila. Ay, meron naman. Ay, maganda yung resolution lang na binibigyan natin authority ang mayor na siya ang kamerman ng kontrata. Narinig-request ng mayor, ay, are. Diyos ko, ito pa, may memorandum of agreement pa. Ayan, sige, susumbong ko sa mayor. Ano?
Duly seconded. Is there any objection?
Alam niyo, hindi tayo mapapahamak. Bagkos, tayo makakatulong pa sa City of Lipa, sa gobyerno,
Okay
at sa ating
po.
mga kababayan. Okay na?
Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution authorizing the Mayor, Eric Aprica, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Federico So Builders and Development Corporation for third and final reading.
Any second? Any second po? Seconded by Honorable Gozos, Macala, Umali, Lina. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair,
Yes, yes.
other matters.
Please go ahead.
Please consider urgent Barangay Ordinance 2024-04 of Barangay San Isidro. Pagbabawal ng pagpapasok at pagdaan ng may ingay na tambutsyo sa lugar nila. Be considered as urgent, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Silva. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, move that we pass a resolution approving Barangay Ordinance number 2024-04. The same be considered as approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Lina, Macala, Umali. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for
Urgent.
urgency.
Up for third and final
Ay,
reading.
for third
naman.
and final reading.
Vice, please refer to the Committee on Budget and Social Services the request of the City Mayor to enter into a MOA with San Fernando Funeral Homes and Crematory for burial assistance. Referral po.
Refer to the Committee on Social Services. Other matters, Honorable Gozos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency po with regards to item number 4 and item number 5 in the business for the day. Item number 4, request for classification from agricultural to commercial use of Mr. Reynaldo Mayuga with an area of 548 square meters located po at Barangay Balintawak. 9 ba? 9 at? And item number 4 and 9 po pala, Madam Chair. Item number 9, reclassification request from residential to commercial use of Mr. Reynaldo Mayuga with an area of 183 square meters located po at Barangay Balintawak din. Motion for urgency, Madam Chair.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none. The motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Reynaldo Mayuga from agricultural to commercial use with an area of 548 square meters located at Barangay Balintawak, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Lina Umali. Objection. Jointly moved by Honorable Silva. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
And last po, Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Reynaldo Mayuga from residential to commercial use with an area of 183 square meters located at Barangay Balintawak, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva. Seconded by Honorable Lina. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Other matters?
Other
again?
matter.
Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, please refer to the Committee on Budget, the certification of the Lipa City Appraisal Committee regarding the acquisition of Barangay Latag for the right-of-way access of Purok sa East in the amount of 2,492,600. Be referred to the Committee on Appropriation, Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Appropriations. Any other matters? I'm declaring a recess. Any other matters po? Wala na?
I move to adjourn, Madam
Any
Chair.
second for adjournment? Any second for adjournment? Seconded by Honorable Angeles. Session is now adjourned. Thank you po.